For this video, we are comparing Invideo AI and Fliki AI, two tools that bring AI-powered ease to video creation. And Invideo AI stands out for making polished, customizable videos, while Fliki AI excels at converting text into videos and voiceovers. Let's dive into what each tool offers and how they can help you create engaging content. And let's start with Invideo AI, which is designed for creating high quality, professional videos with ease. The first one, it has text to video conversion. So Invideo AI makes it easy to turn text, blog posts, or articles into videos. It quickly creates a storyboard with visuals, animations, and transitions ideal for turning written content into shareable videos. It also has extensive stock media library, so when you edit this one, you'll be able to access different or its stock media library, giving you access again to over a million videos, images, and also music. So this allows for a professional finish without needing additional subscriptions. So it also has customizable design and branding options, so you can customize elements like fonts, colors, overlays, and animation. So this flexibility ensures your videos aligned with your brand's look and feel. So also has AI powered scene suggestions. So in videos, recommendations has scenes, transitions, and layouts. Make it easy to craft videos quickly while keeping them visually appealing and on brand. So when you are done editing, you can also export your video in HD. So it supports HD export and provides aspect ratios for all major social media platforms, making it easy to create content ready for YouTube, TikTok, and also Instagram. So to summarize the pros of InVideo AI, again, it has fast and easy text to video conversion with AI recommendations. You'll have access to large stock library for high quality media assets. It has strong customization features to match brand aesthetics and has social media optimized export options in high quality format. Now, for the cons of it, it has limited advanced AI features such as voice synthesis, and the premium plans are required for certain high-end features. Now, let's look at Fliki AI. So, this is a tool primarily focused on text to video and text to voiceover capabilities. So, Fliki AI can turn written content into videos with natural sounding voiceovers, and it includes a wide selection of voice styles, accents, and also languages, making it easy to add voiceovers without recording. It also has multi-language support, so Flicky AI's text-to voiceover supports also multiple languages and accents. So right here you have language and also have dialect, which is great for creating content targeted at different regions or global audiences. So it also has, when you edit, AI-powered scene matching. So Flicky AI matches scenes and visuals to your script, automatically simplifying the creation process and helping you generate videos quickly. And it has basic customization options. So they offer some customization for adding background, music, choosing voice styles, and selecting visual elements, though it is more limited in comparison to InVideo AI. So Flicky AI also has platform, or it also has is also optimized for creating short form video content for social media, making it easy to generate quick shareable clips for platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. So to summarize, the pros of Flicky AI, it has automated text to video and text to voiceover in multiple languages, great for creating audio accompanied videos without recording. It has AI scene matching based on text input, and it is ideal for short social media ready videos. Now, for the cons of it, it has limited video customization and design options. It has smaller stack media library compared to InVideo AI and has less control over editing and branding elements. So now, which tool is right for your needs? Invideo AI is perfect for users who want to create professional customizable videos with advanced design features, and it is ideal for brands, businesses, and also marketers looking to produce polished branded content. Now, Fliki AI is a good choice for users who need quick voiceover driven videos in multiple languages, especially for social media. It is great for creating fast text based content with minimal design requirements. So, both tools bring unique benefits, but if you're ready to create fully customizable videos, InVideo AI is a fantastic choice. And you can sign up for a free InVideo account with the link below and start creating today. So that is it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.